Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to update a file on Google Drive without changing its shareable link. If you've ever shared a document with someone and needed to replace it with a newer version without breaking the link, this guide is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep your links intact while keeping your files up to date. Let's dive in. First, let's locate the file you want to update. Go to your Google Drive and find the file you've already shared. This could be a document, spreadsheet, or presentation. It works for almost all file types. Now, right-click on the file and select Manage Versions. This feature is super handy because it allows you to upload a new version of the file without changing the original shareable link. Once you're in the Manage Versions window, click Upload New Version. Choose the updated file from your computer. Google Drive will replace the old file with the new one, but here's the important part. The shareable link stays exactly the same. That means anyone with the link can now access the updated version instantly. No need to resend links or worry about broken access. Google Drive keeps a version history. If you ever need to revert to an older version, simply go back to Manage Versions and restore the previous file. This makes collaboration super safe and easy, especially for teams who constantly update files. It's also worth noting that this method works for shared links set to view, comment, or edit. So no matter what permissions you've given, the link itself remains unchanged, saving you from the hassle of updating everyone manually. Finally, always double-check your file after uploading the new version to make sure all content is correct. Once confirmed, your shared file is live and up to date. And that's it. Updating a shared Google Drive file without changing the link is really that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and share this video with anyone who struggles with managing Google Drive files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.